Hi, and welcome to this ePOS Hybrid installation video for the ePOS Hybrid tablet bundle. Firstly, collect the stand that the ePOS tablet will be placed on. Press the button on the side to open the stand at the back. Add the second part of the stand to the vertical stand. Open the lid of the stand itself and insert the tablet into the stand. Once it's securely in place, close the front end. This way the tablet will be securely fastened. Take the keys and insert the key into the back of the tablet stand to ensure the tablet is securely locked. Now that the tablet is secure, it's time to set up the printer. Firstly, grab the power cable. Take one end of the power cable, insert it into the power cable box on the other end. Once the power cable is constructed, take the long end of the power cable and insert that into the socket on the left hand side of the printer. Once your printer is connected and plugged in, switch it on using the button on the front of the printer to see the two lights come on. Once done, open the top of the printer to make sure the printer paper is inside. Make sure that the front of the till roll is facing you as you insert the till roll itself. Insert that and press the feed button to make sure that the till roll is fedded through correctly. Next, time to set up the cash drawer. Use the key to unlock the front of the cash drawer to make sure that the cash drawer opens and closes correctly. Once you've tested the front of the cash drawer, take the cable from the back of the cash drawer itself and insert that into the middle socket of the printer. Now that you have everything connected, it's time to go onto the tablet itself, scroll down from the top of the page, select the Wi-Fi icon, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Once you've connected, select the ePOS Hybrid operator app, log on to your operator app using your passcode, enter your float if necessary. You can select 0 if you don't use a float. This will take you to the front page of the operator app. Once there, select Extras, scroll down to App Actions and select Settings, then scroll down to Customer Receipt Printer and select ePOS Printer Bluetooth 80mm. To connect the printer completely, select the Bluetooth icon from the top of the screen by dragging down, select the printer at the top, use 0000 to pair the printer itself, and once the printer has been paired, return to the operator app, and then select Scan next to the Customer Receipt Printer section to ensure the printer has been fully paired. To complete a test print, return to the settings, and next to the Customer Receipt Printer, select the Test Print button to complete a test print. You're now fully set up. Thanks very much for watching.